Welcome you all to my channel, Frederica Nation. Make sure you subscribe and hit the ring bell so you'll never miss an upload. But right now, I am getting my nails done because my nails was looking like really ratchet, seriously. So don't judge me, okay? But yeah, almost done though. So I'm going to show y'all the process of where I'm at right now. Yeah, this is the process, y'all. Like I said, I'm almost done, so I apologize. I didn't get no pictures or clips before then. But I just wanted to show you all. I'm here at the shop, and I got to get it done because my nails, y'all should have seen them before I came in. Y'all should have seen my nails before I came here, y'all. It was looking really ratchet, seriously. Like, it was, judge me on it, okay? But yeah, I'm here getting them together right now. So I'm going to show y'all what the ending results look like. She's really doing her thing. First time she done my nails, and she's doing an awesome job. So I'm going to show you all, stay tuned, what the end results look like.